Hi all. I am wanting to tell you about this little bottle. It's from CTFO, which is Controlling the Future Outcome, and it's called Total Wellness CBD capsules. And it's for pain relief and muscle spasms, and it reduces seizures and convulsions and all over. It just really makes you feel better. And since I am living with autoimmune and neurological problems, I have to tell you, this has really helped my world in many ways. From less pain, my stomach is calmer, and it's calming down my seizures also. So I just wanted to tell you about this because I don't I don't want anyone to be living with the kind of pain and discomfort when we have options. And this is from Mother Nature. It's pure hemp, 100% legal, no THC, non-GMO, no pesticides. Wonderful, terrific product. So get yourself a bottle so you can tell me exactly how it's working for you, because I'm on a mission that will get people out of pain and into thrive. So join me on my mission. And down below will be how you can get a hold of this and tell me what you think. So I wish you well. I wish you ease and comfort and into thrive. Talk to you soon.